Hey, what's going on? It's Eric K. Johnson, podcast talent coach. Are you ready to attract your ideal clients with your podcast? Well, I'm here to help you do it. Come join us. If you're like many podcasters, you want to grow your podcast, you want to grow your downloads, you want to grow your audience, you want to increase your number of downloads and add subscribers to your podcast. I get it. We all do. We're all out there trying to grow our podcast. But more importantly, do you want to have that influence and be known as an authority in your niche? Do you want to attract clients rather than going out there having to chase them down day after day after day? I get it. That's the ultimate goal. A quality audience full of your ideal clients allows you to leverage your attention that you're building with your podcast, leverage that audience, leverage your authority in your niche to monetize your show, build your business, and more importantly, leave your impact on the world. And that's what I want to help you do. How would you like to have a plan and a strategy to grow your audience step by step in just a few minutes a day? That's what my audience explosion blueprint is all about. It's a powerful 3-day event. Over the course of 3 days, you will build your strategy to methodically grow your audience. It doesn't matter if it's your podcast or your social media page or your YouTube page. This will build your audience methodically and systematically. This workshop utilizes my 35 years of radio experience and over a dozen years working with podcasters, not only creating successful shows, but growing audiences and helping those people become personalities, on air talent. That's what I want to help you do. By the end of this workshop, you will walk away with your strategy in hand to attract your ideal clients, to build your audience, and to keep those raving fans coming back again and again, episode after episode, and spreading the word about how great you are. Now, look, this event isn't for everyone. I'm looking for the real deal. I'm looking for the right podcasters, those people who are ready to step into themselves and really become an authority and an influencer and a personality in their niche. That known authority that attracts people to them. This program is not for those who expect to build their audience to thousands of listeners in just a few days, like some get rich quick scheme. That's what this is not. That is not what this is about. This is about you doing work methodically and systematically with a strategy and a plan. It's for podcasters who are willing to consistently take action in just a few minutes a day to follow a simple plan and work to grow their podcast in a steady, methodical way. That's what it's all about. And that's what I want to help you do. If you're the real deal and you're ready for it, come join us. Come join us for the Audience Explosion Blueprint. Now, this isn't some typical empty webinar that you go to and you get a whole bunch of fluff and a big sales pitch and that's it. That this is going to actually be a select group of podcasters who are serious about their growth and they're ready to roll up their sleeves and start building their audience using a strategy. By the end of this program, you're going to have a clear step by step blueprint to grow your audience. You're going to begin taking the necessary steps to attract your ideal clients, not just any old audience. We're going to fill your audience with your ideal clients. You are going to consistently implement this blueprint in as little as 15 minutes a day, and you're going to lay the foundation to be known as an influencer, an influential authority in your niche, a respected authority in your marketplace, and you're going to consistently attract listeners to you who become raving fans, who share your podcast, and who purchase your programs. You're going to know how to get listeners to follow through with your call to action so it doesn't feel like you're just yelling into a canyon with nobody talking back. You're actually going to get some engagement from your audience. You're going to free up your time to create great content, to monetize your show, but more importantly, you're going to spend more time with your clients. You're going to spend more time building your business, leaving your impact on the world, and enjoying life. Everything you've dreamed of. All you need to do is get registered for Audience Explosion Blueprint right here on this page. Click that link, get registered. I know you've been banging your head against the wall, trying everything you could think of to grow your audience, throwing things against the wall to see what sticks. Well, here's your chance to do it the right way, the systematic way to do it with a step-by-step blueprint. Just get registered right here on this page, and I will see you there at the Audience Explosion Blueprint Workshop.